What you doing?
I got 2 more hives coming, even after the one surviving hive that we had this spring has now broken into 3. So now I've got 3 hives going, and I got 2 on order, so that'll give me 5 hives, which I would have only had 3 if that one didn't swarm.
If you saw the video from Sunday.
We caught the swarm.
Yep, and when Clay got the swarm.
And I'm building new bottoms. Now I have to just cut the opening for the end so that they can go in. It's took me about an hour and a half to do that.
Is that how long we've been out here?
Probably. I've been pretty busy. I'll put this all back.
So he's working. I was working on.
I really didn't want to do this after work, but because I was going to do it on my vacation. But one thing about bees, they don't give you the vacation. They swarm when they want to swarm, and they do everything they want to do. All right, I'm going to cut that opening.
Okay.
To about here to about here. Okay, you're going to want to get back. There's the one. It allows the bees to go in and out. Once it goes on the front and the box sets on that. And now I gotta cut one of the bigger openings on the other end in case I want them a little bit larger. So I tip that down, it'll be on the back side. That's right. That's a little larger in case the hive gets extremely big. You can turn it that way, or you can turn it this way. So much nicer making your own stuff. If I bought this hive, it'd cost you about $200 to $300 for just the wood for the hive. That's a baseboard, a top cap, and a telescoping lid, and 2 brood boxes and a honey super. So it's a lot of work putting into them too, but it's more how do I say it, more
Economical?
no, for your mind.
Relaxing.
Not relaxing, it's satisfying more, I guess. Satisfying to your mind that you did it yourself, and you can build all the stuff out of scrap lumber, and the bees don't care. They'll build a hive in a hollow tree. So if you got some nice work or wood to work with, they'll love you for it. See, this goes down here, so the bees can go in and out. The box sits right on top of this, and the bees go in and out of it. So, I guess I gotta start picking things up because I still got chores to do. So, I guess this is it for now. When we get the new bees, we'll show you how we set them up. It's going to be very, very relaxing, and I love to sit and watch the bees come and go, knowing that they're bringing in their own nectar and their own pollen, feeding their babies. It's going to be great. Alright, this is Clay from Pulp's Backyard Farm saying goodbye, and join us again. Bye.